Be strong.
Hey, welcome guys, welcome back to Happy Life Easy and Simple Crochet Lesson 4. In this video, we will learn how to make a half double crochet and triple crochet. 12 chains. To start your half double crochet, I have made here 12 chains. First, yarn over and insert to your third chain. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So this is your first half double crochet. We'll do it again. Yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So you're in your last chain. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and your half double crochet is done. So your half double crochet is little bit thicker than your single crochet. And little bit smaller than your double crochet. So see the difference. This is your double crochet, half double crochet and single crochet. So next we will make a triple crochet. So to start your triple crochet, I have made here 13 chains. First, yarn over twice. I'll show you again. Yarn over 1, 2 twice and insert to your fourth chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and pull through the chain. Now you have 4 loops. You have to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. So I'll show it again. Yarn over twice, insert, pull through. You will have 4 loops. So first yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. So you continue doing that. So I'm in my last stitch. Yarn over twice, pull through 2, next 2 and the last 2. So your triple crochet is done. Now you will be seeing the difference So your single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet and triple crochet. So thank you guys for watching my videos. If you have missed anything, you can always watch it again. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. And in my next video, we will be seeing how to make the second row. Okay. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.